Why is it that your probiotics are not working for you? The main reason is you have to address the root cause of the problem. First, we have to really heal the gut. We have to close these gap junctions. We have to fix this leaky gut. That's the first step. Then we can think about adding probiotics to it. However, most of the probiotics out there in the market, by the time they get to the shelf, half of these bacteria that are put in there, they are dead. There's no prebiotics, the food for these probiotics added to these capsules. And also, our gut microbiota is really a soup, a ecosystem of various microbes. You have yeast, you have fungi, you have bacteria, you have viruses, and the bacterial strain even, you have a variety of them. If you look at these bottles of probiotics, you have a few, maybe 5, 7 maximum of these different strains, and that's not enough. So it's best to get your probiotics through food, fermented vegetables, through fermented dairy like kefir, Bravo yogurt. Those are much more effective as far as the probiotics goes. However, remember, we have to first start healing the gut before spending money on probiotics.